Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to know if someone only sent you a Snapchat. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all we need to open Snapchat, and when we open Snapchat we have this camera on here, and if we want to know if someone sent us a Snapchat, we will see the buttons in the bottom side of the screen. This is Snap Map, Chat, Camera, etc. So we need to go to the chats, and here you will see all your friends, all people with whom you chatted with. So if someone sent you a snap, for example this guy sent me a snap, I will have his Snapchat right here in the chat. But if he sent only a message, I will see just a message from here. As you can see, he sent me a snap and I can see it right here. And basically that is it. That is how I know if someone only sent you a Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.